Hello, Anna. The two machines are ready now. Let me show you and test it. Okay, this is the melting and filling machine. This is the control center, and we have a melter here. This is under the cover. It is a pump system. Okay, this is the filling nozzles and filling tubing, and this melting tank is jacket type. First of all, we need to pour water inside. Okay, we need to pour water from here. Fill water inside the jacket and make sure the water level. You see, we have a level here. Make sure the bar is full with water. Okay, make full of water inside this jacket. Okay, and here we have a two output discharge valve. This one is for wax. This one is for water inside the jacket. Sometimes we may need to change water or heating element. We need to empty the jacket. We use this valve. Okay. This is a filling nozzle, and here we have a mixture inside. This tubing, it is for fragrance. Okay, this is a sucking end. We put it into your fragrance bottle. And here is the tubing for fragrance. It is inside this one, but it is not heated. It is inside just for good looking. Okay, and the tubing of wax will be heated. And we have a trigger here which can change the direction of the flow direction of the fragrance. We can flow it to this part to test the accuracy, and we can turn it to inside this nozzle to mix with the wax. Okay. First of all, at the beginning, we turn it this way because we need to test the accuracy. And here we have a trigger here which can start and stop the filling at any time. And we have a remote controller. It has the same function as this trigger. We can use both the trigger or the remote controller. Okay. Let us check the control center. Okay, we have your language here. You see? Today I will test it with the English because I do not know your language. Okay, so we'll enter it. Okay, if you want to go back to the menu to choose language, you can press here. You see, it will go back to this page. Okay, this fill output, it means how many pieces we have produced. This set output means we can set up the productivity we want to make today. So when this reaches 300 pieces, which reaches the setting output, the machine will stop working and alarm you. Okay, interval time means the time between two fillings. It is work like fill, stop, fill. This time is stop time, and there is no need to revise collect weight and collect time. It is automatically according to your wax volume. We set up the wax volume and fragrance volume by grams. Today we set up the 200 grams and the fragrance at 10 grams. Okay. Menu. Let's see. This wax pump rotation, fragrance pump rotation, it means the filling speed of the pump. Normally there is no need to change it, but when you fill very small jar or very large jar, it may need a different filling speed for faster, for better using. Okay, it can be revised. It's a temperature screen. We have wax temperature display. Wax melter temperature is for melting wax. This temperature is for display the temperature of your wax. We have a temperature sensor inside the wax, which can tell us what the temperature it is of the wax now. This is for the tubing of wax. this one, this black one, we need to set up the temperature here. See? Okay, and turn it on. Now it will heating automatically. And this one, it is useless. No need to revise it at all. Just these 3 pieces. And the whole machine is about 6,500 watts. Okay, so make sure your power can stand it, as I have told you before. Okay, turn it off. Okay, go back. Parameter. This we can set up the fill speed and reverse speed as well. It is depending on your jar volume. If you fill very large jar, you need faster speed for faster production, right? Okay, function. Here we have different green and red parts, right? Because we only have one pump, one wax pump and one fragrance pump, so there is no need to use these 3 parts. We need to turn all the parts on by green color. You see, we need to turn it on. And here we have fragrance test accurate error, which means when we set up at the fragrance volume at 10 grams, and we don't want it lower than 9 grams or higher than 11 grams. This is the accurate error we set up. And this is the output. This is means the pieces. We set up at 3 pieces. If more than 3 pieces of the wax has a fragrance error, then 1 grams, the machine will stop working automatically. I will show you later by the machine. Okay, so this is the PLC touch screen. If you don't understand any part of it, please let me know. And here we have different switches. This is a power switch. This is a fragrance switch, and this is a wax switch. Here, this part is on, and this is off. This is off. This is on, and this is for manual mode or out mode. Normally we use this out mode. Okay, and this is a mixer adjuster. We make sure the mixer is under 0 and turn it on and adjust the speed a little bit. Okay, let us check the tank. See, mixer is running. Okay. And here we have a tank. It is for putting the nozzles inside. Sometimes you may go out for lunch. You need to put the nozzles inside here to keep it warm all time in case of any blocking. Okay. Now let's get the machine working now. After we set up all these parameters and turn this on, we can go to the nozzles. Okay, and we need to put this sucking end inside your fragrance bottle. This is the fragrance container. Put this inside your fragrance and make this by this side at the beginning. Okay, we can both use this trigger or the remote controller to start and stop the machine at any time. Let's start it. See? It will stop working. After the tubing is full fill with water and with wax and fragrance, we can test the accuracy. We use a glass of bottle. Okay. Try this. Okay. Now we can weigh the weight of the fragrance to test if it is the right one we set up. Today we set up the 10 grams, right? So we need to test this weight. And if it is right, we need to test the wax. wax with as well, by the same way. Okay, that's the first step. After we test the accuracy of both the fragrance and the wax, now we can stop it and turn this trigger to this side into the nozzle, so we can start our production now. Just use this one to fill one by one. Okay, and later I will ask for a handle here. So let's check.
那可以怎么办？要把这几个灌完吗？
灌完吧，里面留一点蜡也没关系。
它上面蜡要排的，那怎么洗？
这排掉这里面的这么多蜡排得掉。这里还可以灌几十杯。
那个17公斤，18公斤呢。我感觉剩的那个箱子里面就加8公斤，我们那个整个箱都。